Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved videos on YouTube. So first of all, open up the YouTube app or website, sign in, and then on the mobile app just go ahead to your library or click you at the bottom, right? And you're gonna be able to see your saved videos. If you interacted with a like or watched that video, you're gonna be able to see in the history right here, view all, or in the liked videos you're gonna be able to see the liked videos, and that's one way to actually see it. Or the watch later, if you have saved that video to watch later, by going to click the video for example, and then three dots next to the title, and then click save to watch later. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.